Okay, so today we're doing a horror video.
Okay. Look at you. I didn't even have to ask you what we're doing today.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's your little intro to the video?
Yeah, and now I'll show you this.
Okay. What kind of hauler is it?
A monster truck hauler.
Yeah. Monster Jam. You see that on the side here? You already stocked it with a couple of monster trucks on top, right?
I'll get one.
Oh, you have to get more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two. Because I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then dragons 5, 7, there are 6, and Marshmallow 7.
Okay,
So
you need 7 trucks for this?
Yeah. And there's only 4 spots on top.
Oh, okay,
so.
that's right. Okay, and one can fit in the front?
Yeah.
Okay, but just a small one, right?
Yeah, look.
Oh, okay, he fits in there perfectly. So he's the driver?
Uh-huh. He's a driver. Kind of like a baby driver.
Okay.
And then there's stuff in here.
So what can the hauler do?
Okay, the hauler do.
Yeah. Whoa, it opens up? What's all the stuff in there? Look at that. Okay, it unfolds.
These are some ramps, and then those are for this thing, and then
cool.
this.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
And then there's more stuff in here.
Oh, wow.
Ramp.
You stored it all perfectly in there. What's this?
Donut.
Oh, the donut thing. So one can spin on there?
Yeah.
Let me see.
So it sits on that.
Yeah, and then, oh, very cool, spins. Oh no, it's coming off. Oh, I guess if you do it too fast, it comes off.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
If you don't hold on to it, it will come off.
Oh, okay, good.
Look at my new bottle right here.
Wow, what is on it?
Dinosaurs!
Dinosaurs!
There's a little Leo sticker on it.
Yeah, it has your name on it?
Yeah.
That's a nice bottle that you got there.
For Miss Bunny.
Yeah, so when you go to preschool that they know that that's your bottle, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So first I have to put the thing together, put this on. And then it has to be attached to here.
Oh, okay.
And no, it has, so these things attach onto here.
Oh, okay.
So take that off for a few minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put these on here.
Oh, okay, so they click in there?
No, they don't click.
No, okay.
Look, see?
Oh, okay.
And then you don't hear the click.
No, that's true.
Yeah? And pretty much all set up already.
Okay, so they can race down there
Yeah, they can race down there.
and jump?
Yeah. Hey, the barrels have to be somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey!
We were playing with them earlier, so they have to be somewhere. Did you want to put the front under here, or you don't need it?
Huh?
Did you want to put the cap under here,
Huh?
like this, or no?
I'll put the barrels on there.
No.
But we still need that to be attached now to put all of the barrels.
Okay.
Because it
How
came
many-
with 6, and right here is 3.
Okay, 6 barrels we need.
That would be 6.
Mhm.
6, Mom. None of them are under here.
Oh, so this is attached now. So you can set up the barrels.
Oh, one on my table.
Oh.
So, hey, no, so I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll show you.
You show me. Okay.
So, do that. Oh no! It's gonna come out on the other side.
It rolls under there.
So one goes there. find 2 more. It has to be hiding somewhere.
Yeah.
Barrel.
Barrel, where are you?
Barrel. Barrel.
Alright, so we only got 5. We didn't find the 6th barrel?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well,
Maybe
5 will do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same effect. Let's see.
Okay, digger versus monster motivation.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh!
Oh.
They knocked them all down. And look at this one. On a
Really?
wheelie. Whoa.
Oh. Let's try this one. Oh. What's this? Oh. Oh.
Whoa. I want to see the barrels again. We should set up the barrels again.
Okay. So you wish them down because
I'm going to set them up, yeah.
You set them up and I'll race down.
Okay. Maybe we can do a slow-mo, how they knock down the barrels.
Huh? What
Slow
is
motion.
slow-mo?
Slow motion, that would be fun, right? To see how they knock down the barrels.
Yeah. So then for this one, it's gonna be Great Digger versus Son of a Digger.
Okay.
So they both diggers.
Oh, okay, let's see who's the winner.
Oh, it was Great Digger because he landed.
He landed it, that's right. This one is flipped over.
Yeah, so he loses.
Okay.
Wait, it's his freestyle turn. So
Okay.
he goes first.
Freestyle.
Huh? What's this?
Oh,
Oh!
he landed it too.
What's your back? Oh!
Yeah,
Oh!
you made it. Backflip. Whoa, okay, he's getting really good at it.
Probably got his good. Oh!
He's flying high.
I think he did not get to it. Oh God! He hasn't landed that ramp yet.
Mm.
Oh!
no.
Oh!
Oh,
He
okay.
landed!
Okay, that was.
Oh! Backflip's probably the easiest for him.
To land? Okay.
Well, Keelan does backflip good. Oh!
Mm-hmm.
Watch him do a donut.
Okay, let's do a donut again. Oh, he came off. Oh, no.
Oh my!
And that's another whole thing.
Oh no! He just flipped over on the backflip. Okay, this last jump is gonna be a good one.
Whoa!
Oh!
Look at him get stuck.
So, till he flips over, his freestyle's done. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, he's flipping a lot of them.
Okay, I see you doing some freestyle there too.
Oh no! Oh! Oh! How many times is he landing? Oh no! His freestyle's done.
Alright, that's a pretty cool toy, Leo.
I always have to do all the other trucks.
No, okay. I think maybe it would be interesting to see when you put it back together to see how that works.
Oh, at the end of the race we'll do.
Okay, at the end we'll do that. Alrighty.
Son of a Digger's turn.
Alright, son of a digger.
First he's gonna do this one. Oh no! Let's try that again. Oh! That was a high jump, but he still landed. Oh! Oh my! Did he flip or land?
No, he flipped. He's on his side. Who's racing now?
Huh?
Who is that?
Still Scooby-Doo versus Blue Thunder.
Okay. We have a little pyramid down here.
Pyramid down here, and
Just two.
2 and pyramid. Oh! So this is how you put away.
Oh, okay.
Those things down there.
Yeah.
And then this can go in there too.
Okay.
And then this goes. This. We take these off.
Cheese off, yeah. Store those inside of the truck.
We're gonna do that for the last part of it.
Yeah.
There we go. Then put this, that,
Yeah.
and then this,
This.
this.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. It folds up really small. It's actually really neat. Because it doesn't take up a lot of space, but when you unfold it, it has a lot of different rams, right?
Yeah,
A
but
lot of different things you can do with it.
we have to put Mother Energy in here.
Oh, okay, he still goes in the front.
Yeah,
I think that's where, when it came, that's where they had the barrels stored, right?
yeah.
And we got it.
But
So these ones are too big, right? Or does this one fit in there?
these are too big.
Yeah, that's why you always use the smaller one.
Yeah, maybe Blaze the Monster Machine.
Or Blaze the Monster Machine. I think he could fit in there too, that's right. Perfect. So I guess we still gotta put these yellow things inside, right?
Yeah, those are ramps for
The rams and then the barrels maybe.
The barrel will have to go in here. Because there's no space in front.
Mm-hmm.
So you just
You have to go this way because the ramp is here, so otherwise it wouldn't close, right?
yeah.
Perfect.
Barrels.
1, 2. Mm-hmm. We lose 3. 4 and 5. All right, and then you close it, and then you can just park it in some corner until you want to play with it again. And you can park some monster trucks on top, right?
Yeah, so I'll put line on there. Scooby-Doo. Marshmallow Dalmatian. And Blue Thunder. And that's it. Maybe one can fit in the bottom too.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Maybe some digger, grave digger. Maybe let's do grave digger.
One can fit in there. That's cool. Very cool. Very cool toy. You like it?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah.
Yeah, for other kids that like monster trucks?
Yeah.
It's a cool toy.
Oh, look.
That's cool. It might not close because of the blue ramp, but we can try.
Oh.
No, it works. Good job, buddy. All right, you want to say bye and see you next time?
Bye. See you next time.
All right. We had fun playing with the Monster Jam hauler. And doing some freestyle.
Doing some freestyle. Bye, so dig.
Bye.
Bye.